Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best organic candle wicks is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of candle making, impacting not only the burn quality and longevity of your candle but also the air quality of your home and the environment. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of organic candle wicks, exploring different types, materials, sizes, and how to choose the perfect wick for your candle making project, ensuring a clean, even, and long-lasting burn every time. Number 5. Nuozme Candle Wicks Kit. These wicks are made of natural cotton, pre-waxed with beeswax, and come with convenient tabs. They're safe and easy to use, perfect for your candle making projects. Experience a clean, low-temperature burn with a bright flame. The beeswax coating ensures a superior burn, free from unhealthy chemicals. The included heat-resistant stickers keep your wicks firmly in place, while the centering device helps you achieve perfect alignment. These wicks are suitable for various wax types and candle sizes. Simply cut them to your desired length and enjoy the process. Create unique candles for birthdays, holidays, or any special event. They also make a thoughtful and beautiful gift. Always trim the wick with scissors after each use to maintain a clean burn and prevent black smoke. Enjoy a pleasant and safe candlelight experience. What we like. It comes with everything you need to get started, including pre-waxed wicks, stickers to secure them, and a centering device for easy placement. If you're new to candle making and want a convenient, all-in-one kit, this is the perfect choice for you. It simplifies the process and ensures your candles burn evenly and cleanly, making it ideal for beginners and those who value convenience. Number 4. 23 Bees Hemp Candle Wick Kit. It's made from 100% organic hemp and beeswax. This ensures a clean and natural burn for your candles. With this hemp spool, you can customize wick lengths. Say goodbye to wasteful pre-tabbed wicks. It's all natural, with no harmful chemicals. Protect your health and enjoy a pure candle scent. Experience a slow, clean burn with minimal smoke and dripping. It's perfect for various candle types. Made with premium European hemp, we're committed to quality. It's designed to enhance your home and life. This kit includes 200 feet of hemp wick and 200 metal sustainer tabs. Everything you need for candle making. What we like. This option offers a spool of hemp wick, allowing you to cut the wicks to your exact needs, minimizing waste. If you're environmentally conscious and prefer to customize your wick lengths, this is the best option. You'll have complete control over the size of your wicks, making it perfect for various candle sizes and designs. What people say. It burns very well. It's pre-waxed. The little metal stands are larger than the diameter of the wick, so I just doubled a small piece of the wick and inserted it, and it held tight during the dipping process. Honestly, this wick is wonderful. It burns perfect in my round 2.5 ounces little under 2.5-inch diameter tins. I use them for my beeswax candles and they SRE a million times better than the normal wicks you buy at craft stores. Number 3. EricX Light Hemp Wick. Experience a cleaner, more natural way to light your candles or other needs. It's made from organic hemp and beeswax, providing a superior burn. This wick is crafted from organic hemp, carefully coated with beeswax. This ensures a slow, even burn without messy dripping. It produces a lower temperature flame compared to butane lighters, resulting in a smoother, better taste for your candles and other applications. With a generous 200-foot spool and a standard 1 mm diameter, it provides long-lasting use for all your projects. Need a bigger flame for candle making? Simply braid 2 or 3 strands together for increased intensity. Upgrade your lighting experience with this sustainable and high-quality hemp wick. Enjoy a cleaner, more flavorful burn every time. What we like. This product provides a generous 200-foot spool of thin hemp wick, perfect for numerous candle-making projects. If you need a large quantity of wicks for crafting or prefer a thinner wick, this is your ideal choice. The beeswax coating ensures a clean and even burn, making it suitable for various candle types. Number 2. EricX Light Beeswax Hemp Wick. Experience the superior burn of our hemp wick. It's made from organic hemp and beeswax for a clean, even flame. This spool provides 200 feet of wick, ensuring you have plenty for all your needs. That's a lot of lighting. It's crafted from organic hemp and beeswax, making it a natural and sustainable choice. Enjoy a cleaner burn. The beeswax coating ensures a slow, even burn with no dripping, providing a consistent flame. It's perfect for candles and more. It produces a lower temperature flame than butane, resulting in a smoother, better taste. Enjoy a refined experience. Need a bigger flame? Simply braid 2 or 3 threads together for a larger, more intense burn. It's that easy. This wick is the standard 1 mm diameter, perfect for most applications. It's versatile and ready to use. What we like? Similar to the previous one, this also offers a long spool of thin hemp wick, ideal for extensive candle making. If you need a large quantity of wicks and prefer a thinner wick, this is your ideal choice. The beeswax coating ensures a clean and even burn, making it suitable for various candle types. What people say. Used to make a thicker wicks by braiding 3 pieces together. The wicks are well coated with the wax. They work well, but it does make using them with a wick lighter a little difficult at times as it can get sticky and not slide to lengthen the wick very easily. This wick is really nice slow burning wick that I purchased for my beeswax candles I am making for the holidays. I found that it burns slowly and you get a lot of wick for the price. Number 1. EricX Light Hemp Candle Wicks. These wicks are made from a unique blend of hemp and beeswax, ensuring a clean and even burn for your candles. They're pre-waxed and tabbed for easy use. Each 8-inch wick is pre-waxed with beeswax and tabbed, making preparation a breeze. This saves you time and effort in the candle making process. It's crafted from high-quality hemp and beeswax, providing a superior burn compared to other wicks. Experience a cleaner, more enjoyable candle making experience. Their extra long length makes them ideal for candles of all sizes. You can easily adapt them to your specific candle making needs. Remember to use moderate amounts of dye and scent. Excessive amounts may affect the burning quality, potentially causing smoke or reducing burn time. This pack contains 100 wicks, giving you plenty to create numerous candles. Get started on your candle making projects today. What we like? These pre-waxed wicks are extra long and thick, perfect for larger candles. If you're making larger candles and need a wick that can handle a bigger flame, this is the best option. The pre-waxed and tabbed design makes them easy to use, saving you time and effort. What people say. Good quality and easy to use wicks coated well. They are sturdy but flexible but need to be trimmed. They get flamed easily, but the flame indeed is at low temperatures if you first use it, and the wick long it will burn at large flame, however it will still be a gentle fire. I use these for poured container candles made with soy wax. My candles burn nicely and evenly with these wicks. Steady flame, pools to the edge, no tunneling, burns beautifully to the bottom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.